But it's good to have multiple tools perfectly tightened. I like doing them one by one. Alright, welcome guys. This is the video on the Volvo XC90 about replacing your spark plugs and your ignition coils. At this moment we're working on the engine. As you can see, we have a couple part video online right now up on YouTube. Go check those videos out, how to set the timing on, take the timing cover apart, and even the valve cover here. So yeah, today we're going to be installing the spark plugs and the ignition coils. Let's get into it. I won't get into brand specifications. It's just so more about like tools. So all you would need like is a 10mm socket right here, and your new ignition coils and spark plugs. So there I go. I take out the first one. I had put some papers in here so that nothing can really fall down in the hole, so I will have to remove them as we go along. So this is the first one. Okay, so yeah, this one don't fit, so I have another socket. So it's good to have multiple tools because this one did not work for me. So I had stuck it in there, bring it down, and twist. It's always good to start doing them by hand, you know, so you can feel if they're cross threading, they're not fitting properly. You will know just by turning them by finger. So you just stop right there. You don't need to do all that super tight. We'll go back around and make sure everybody's perfectly tightened. I like doing them one by one. As I said guys, I'm really not gonna get into brands and all of that. None of these brands are sponsoring me at this point anyway, so until that is happening, I'll talk about brand. If you end up seeing a brand on accident, that's okay, but until I start getting some kind of sponsorship or something, yeah guys, so that's why I'm putting in the work as well. So you can't say I'm just seeking sponsorship. No, I'm putting in the work and I'm using brand parts. I guess one day I might say, hey, I'm using this or I'm using that, but you gotta be smart these days. Value yourself, you know. So you see, I'm just doing them as I go guys. It's simple. Let's say I'm working on the engine right now. It's like 85% complete. Yeah, because I did everything else. I did the time and everything else like that. Got a different cover for it, stuff like that. So everything is going great. So guys, we did 3 so far. This is the 4th one. So I guess I didn't take out the paper for this one yet. Okay, this one almost there. Boom, there it is. So let's move on to this other one here. That there against the got this other one. And this is actually being done. I'm not moving too fast, and it's getting done properly at a nice pace. So brand new. When it wakes up again, it's gonna feel so good. Yo, I can just imagine, yeah, cause yeah, this is gonna be fun. Test driving for the first time. Guys, you don't have to go ham on tightening these spark plugs, okay? I don't know the correct spec, but it's just a spark plug. As long as it's in, you know, snug or whatever. But okay, that's that. I don't need to get no tighter than that. Okay. Just like that, guys, and there you have it. You have installed the spark plugs. So now it's time for the ignition coils. Let's get into it, one by one. Oh, this fit in place real nice. So I'm just gonna pop all of them in before I start putting in the bolts. Just pop them in as I go. There we go. I think that one. Let me see, probably this one. Let's see. No, definitely not so. I was right. So it is. Feels so good, guys, to be installing new parts, you know, in the vehicle. Trust me. No, I'm not. Yeah, there's just 2 more bolts here, guys. I need to finish tightening. That's what I was telling you guys. I'm almost finished. Engine is still in progress. Every other bolt is tightened. These 2, because I had to go over each one by one and make sure they're all the same spec, torque spec. You know how it goes. Resume. One more, and everything is completed. Boom. There we go, people. So now, let's clear this. So as I said, the same process, one by one, until you get to the last one. One by one, guys, till you get to the last one. Guys, my son dropped the other bolt he found a while ago, so blame him. Give it to me, then. I'm gonna tell them, say, if you make the work harder. Alright, so we're missing 2 still. What's going on with this? Some reason it doesn't want to go there.
People, I hope you understand what I'm doing here so far, because guess what? My phone died, so the rest of the footage could not be captured. So for the rest of the video, I hope you enjoy, but my phone died. I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, the top is basically the same. Let's make sure it's shut. And I don't think it's a 10mm. Yeah, I don't think they're this is one of them, but I don't think they're 10mm. Yeah, I doubt it. I know it. Yeah, they're not 10s. It's somewhere around here. Make sure you're showing them the right things, man. Yeah, guys, so actually they're not 10mm. I'm gonna figure out the correct size. Yes, you guys, and it's actually smaller than 10. Probably it's an 8 or something like that. 7 probably. Okay, that was the last one. Now we're gonna go through one by one and torque these. As I said, I don't know the specific torque, but it's just common sense. You just need to, hold them down. So.